I'll give a short answer, no? And I will defer now to our two lawyers. Actually po, sa hanay po ng mga kongresista, hindi lamang po ng Saturday Group, it's an inevitable topic to be discussed. At yes, napag-uusapan po yan. At based on our initial, our initial responses to the questions pertaining to the performance of the President and his administration, it points to only one conclusion, that by and large, despite the gaps and the shortcomings na nakikita po natin, we still believe in the President and in the administration. So, malinaw naman po yan. May mga particular po kaming mga points of emphasis. Bakit ganun po ang aming paninindigan po sa issue na yan. So from there, I will defer now to my colleagues to further define that position.
For me, personally, because I'm going to sit as a member of the committee that will deliberate on the impeachment. So I have to hear, just as part of due process and fairness. I'll have to also see what this impeachment complaint is all about, and then from there I'll weigh on things, and I'll proceed with what's going to be the result of my evaluation, and of course the committee's deliberation on the matter.
Sir, are you ready?
Sir,